For those with a heart-shaped face, your wider forehead and narrower chin create a beautiful, delicate point. The key to balancing your features lies in your brows. Think of Hollywood legends from the golden era. They understood that a softer, more rounded brow could soften the wider upper portion of their face, drawing attention down and creating a harmonious overall look. Back then, heavily plucked, thin, rounded arches were the trend, designed to add gentleness and counteract the sharp angles of the face. It was all about creating a delicate, almost dyed appearance that complemented the defined jawline. This classic approach aimed to balance the prominent forehead without adding any extra width. As styles evolved, so did brow shapes. The move towards fuller, more natural brows began, but the principle for heart-shaped faces remained the same. Avoid sharp high arches. A sharp angular brow can make the top half of the face appear even wider and the chin seem more pointed. Instead, the focus shifted to a softly rounded arch. This isn't a perfect semicircle, but rather a gentle curve that follows the natural brow bone. This shape adds softness and prevents the brows from competing with the cheekbones. The goal is to create a fluid line that guides the eye smoothly across the face, rather than creating abrupt angles. It's a subtle art of distraction, pulling focus away from the widest part of the forehead and creating a more balanced silhouette. Today, we have the best of both worlds, fullness and softness. The modern ideal for a heart-shaped face is a well-groomed full brow with a gentle low arch. It's not overly defined, not pencil-thin, and definitely not severely angled. Think of it as a controlled, natural look. The arch should peak softly and then taper down towards the temple. Keeping the tail of the brow at a good length is also crucial. If it's too short, it can make the face look wider. If it's too long and droops downwards, it can drag the face down. The sweet spot is a tail that extends towards the corner of your eye, lifting the face up and out. So, how do you achieve this perfect soft arch? Start by brushing your brows upward to see their natural shape. Use a pencil or powder to lightly fill in any sparse areas, focusing on creating fullness rather than a harsh outline. When you get to the arch, think curve, not corner. Instead of drawing a sharp peak, gently round it off. Use light, feathery strokes to mimic natural hair. The goal is to build volume gradually. You can use a spoolie to blend the product through, softening any hard lines. A tinted brow gel is also a great tool to add volume and hold the hairs in place, reinforcing that soft, groomed shape all day. The final touch is all about balance. Step back and look at your entire face. Your brows shouldn't be the first thing people notice. They should simply look like they belong there, perfectly framing your eyes and balancing your facial structure. The right brow shape for a heart-shaped face is one that creates symmetry and softness. It's not about following a rigid trend, but about understanding your unique features. By opting for a lower, softly rounded arch, you enhance your natural beauty, letting your eyes and smile take center stage. It's a timeless technique that proves the right brows can truly transform your look, creating harmony and effortless elegance.